Secretario, Tetuan District Administrators, teachers, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant afternoon. No? Every change begins with a vision and a decision to take action. When I learned that I will be realigned to Tumbungan Elementary School, I have this mixed emotions, and I don't know how to categorize them. Is it fear, joy, or sadness because I will be leaving Labuan District? But then God comforted me and opened my mind. You were entrusted by the school's division superintendent to lead in this school, meaning she believes that you can perform your roles and functions as a school principal. So to our school division superintendent, Dr. Dolores B. Alcantara, I want to say thank you even though she is not around. To our public schools district supervisor, Mr. Ibrahim J. Saral, at Tumbungan Elementary School teachers, external stakeholders, I consider this day as a commendation form. I will not promise of the moon and the stars, but I have this ultimate objective, that is to achieve the desired learning outcome by enhancing the way curriculum is delivered, by creating a positive environment for learning, and by increasing the stakeholders' participation. This day is the beginning of a big changes in my life. Why? Because I will be dealing with people of diverse beliefs and culture. Hence, even though we have different tribes, religions, and principles in life, I still believe that we will meet at the end of the road because we have one objective in this organization. That is to give quality education to our pupils who are the center of every educative process. Once again, allow me to say thank you for the heartwarming welcome. Now I can say that I am a kapuso sa pamilya at kapatid. Thank you.
Thank you very much.